Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to set pin password in JioPhone Next. Guys, how can you set your pin password in JioPhone Next? Today we are going to talk about this setting. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video, friends. First of all, open your setting app, click on security, screen lock, and guys, pin. So I dial your pin, like example for 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and then confirm. Let's see, guys. 1 2 3 4. Click here. So I think, friends, you have understood how to set pin password in JioPhone Next. So bye bye, friends. Thank you for watching my video. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.